For question number 6 right here, it says odd symmetry, and I need to draw 2 examples. Well, I'm only going to draw 1 example. Most important thing to remember about odd symmetry is that it must go through the origin. No options there. So I need to remember that there has to be a pink dot right here at the origin. Now, the other thing to remember, odd symmetry means that whatever you see in this quadrant right here, quadrant 1, you need to see also over here in quadrant 3. Or it means that whatever you see over here in quadrant 2, you need to see something similar to that over here in quadrant 4. So let me show you some possible answers. First, we could have something that looks like this right here. Now, notice what I've done. I've gone up this way and then made my arrow. When I flip this, remember what we're going to do is we're going to go and turn it upside down, so the arrow is going to have to point down. Now, if I look at this, it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I'm going to come over 5, and it goes to 4, so the arrow would have to be somewhere around here. And then I need to follow the same general idea, which is that it's going to do something along the lines like this. Okay, now, to show a more concrete example, you could remember that cubic functions have odd symmetry. So you could have something like that. The other thing that you could do is you could be creative with this and say, oh, I'm going to put a dot right here and draw a little line, and then say I'm going to put an open circle right here. Well, if you do that, remember there has to be something similar down here in quadrant 4. So if there's a dot, this dot right here, it's going to have to end up going right here, and then an open dot right here, so that you would get something that looks kind of like this as your graph.